What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. What a guan, how no do, how no stay, how no feeling. Are you okay? If you are okay, good, no problem. If you're not, and if you're feeling pain, go to the doctor, check the doctor, call the doctor, make the doctor come at your house if you have the money, but you don't know. Not everybody have it. So if you're broke and have no money, don't worry yourself. Janet, Pauline, Patsy, Pam, Jennifer, Jonathan, go and go help Sister Jane go at the hospital. So we have to do it. We have to help each other. Team up. Guys, mental health crisis is not a joke. It's serious. And I want to tell you something. And a pint. Let me take down my finger. If any of your family member is having a mental problem, stop, hide it. Take them to the doctor. Take them to the sheriff. Call the sheriff and make them go to the hospital. They need help. Sometimes that help that they don't get will lose their 3 pints and other people 3 pints. So stop play around with people's life. Anyway, domestic violence is out there, wicked, serious and rough. Domestic situation is not a joke. Are your birthday today? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. And you don't know today Friday, TGIF, thank God this Friday. And happy your week too. Your birthday today. Go out and have fun, enjoy yourself. And if you drink, don't drive. And if you drive, don't drink. You hear me? Take a taxi and take a picture of the taxi license plate, send it to your friends and your family, and take a picture of the driver too. Guys, you know, say I see something I go on YouTube. I may have to make a video about it. I feel that is my responsibility to talk about this. I saw a few people making videos talking about Narry gone left Alicia Kim, aka AK. Now, when I see the videos, you see, I shake my head and I said to myself, this young lady cannot get a break. This young lady can't get a break. And I also say, if these people could know what kind of color feces come out of this lady, they would even make videos about it. Because this young lady cannot have a break. Now, Narry make some video of him there in New York, so I go, something like so. Me not see it, so, because, you know. And then Alicia Kim come from Jamaica. She take her taxi. She do what she want, do how she want to do it. Go home to her yard. People make videos stating that Alicia Kim never get pick up from the airport. Now my question is, did Alicia Kim need pick up, or Alicia Kim do what she feel like to do to go home where she live? Now guys, this is the problem. Alicia Kim is her own young lady. She's not married anymore. She's not married to nobody anymore who can ask her a question or even said, yes, you have to come pick me up. And even if she did married to somebody and that person is at work or doing something that cannot come to the airport, it's no problem. You jump in a taxi and find yourself home. Ain't no problem with that. She didn't have no problem with that. If she did have a problem with that, she would not video it. Nobody would know how she reached home. Now I see the videos saying that Narry gone. Narry is nowhere to be found. Narry left, Narry gone. My question is, you see, and this is the problem I'm having with these people. Alicia Kim said that you will never see another man on her channel. So she don't put no man on her channel, saying it's her man. Now my question is, you see, my question is, did Alicia Kim tell any of you that she's in a relationship with Narry? I am waiting. Oh, no answers. Did Narry tell any of you that he's in a relationship with Alicia Kim? I am waiting. Oh, I get no answer. I never hear that. I never hear Alicia Kim or Narry said that we are together. Now, I am going to say this. Alicia Kim never said that she and Narry is in a relationship. She never said Narry is her baby father. Narry never said him and Alicia Kim is in a relationship. Narry never say he is the father of Alicia Kim kid. All is out there is allegations. Allegations and speculations. Who no. Just speculating. Now, when I see the videos, I saw some people that I won't call nobody name in these videos. Should I? Should I? I saw the one Lady Quiche. Did I just say Lady Quiche? I saw that Quiche woman. I will not go out of the way and step out of my zone. I saw that Quiche woman, you see. She was missing for a little minute. For a while. She wasn't getting no pump up on her videos. And I saw that Quiche woman. And I saw the one who was fighting with her mother for a man. Yeah, that vibes with Rosa. I saw them make videos about Narry gone. Now my question to these two ladies is, did Alicia Kim nyam on a white fowl? Did Alicia Kim stop any of you from getting a man? Did Alicia Kim stop any of you from getting what you all need? What did Alicia Kim really done to the two of you? Yeah, the two of you me I talk about now. Not nobody else. The two of you. What did Alicia Kim done to the two of you? Because anybody could have come in at the airport and take their own taxis. And as a matter of fact, if Narry is in New York having a wonderful time, partying, does that mean, what does that mean? What did you get from that? Apparently, Narry is not a social media kind of person. And you all pull Narry out of his comfort zone. And I tell you the truth, Narry is the one who benefit out of all what you see going on, because guess what? Narry get the divorce that he wanted and couldn't get, never was going to get. So Narry end up be the one who get exactly what he wanted out of all what's going on YouTube. Any of you see that? Thank you very much to all of you that allow Narry to get his divorce that he wanted and never going to get. How good and thankful you are. Hold on. Are you guys seeing how great you are? Drunkertown. You know, you should get a round of applause, Drunkertown, because Narry wasn't going to get that divorce. and all of you help Narry to get that divorce. Do you all see that? All of you help Narry to get that divorce. No! You all come out saying that Narry gone left Alicia Kim when Narry or Alicia Kim never tell you that the both of them is in any relationship. And as a matter of fact, let's be real. Let's be honest. Let's be human. What if they were together and they decided to part ways? Is anything bad about that? It's bad for you guys, because it would be if something goes like that and she and him part, it would be a pandemonium to all of you, because all of you would be so excited. All part of nobody would stand up and raise up. All the dead would rise too, because you would be so happy, because hey, just like how you so happy and excited now because you are say, oh, Narry gone left Alicia Kim, when this lady never tell any of you who she get pregnant for, who is her man. As a matter of fact, she never tell you that she have a man either. Oh, boy. She never tell any of you that she's with nobody. She never said that. She never said, oh yeah, I'm in a lovely relationship, my man. She never said that. And to be honest with you, people, when I sit down and I really have to make this video, I never want to make it. But when I sit down and I really realize that Maki go into that lady account, yeah? Take out that lady $267 and all of you bash Alicia Kim say it's her fault. Then now, Narry, you must see Narry on some video. Or somebody telling you, because you know have people that track them and I watch them, you know. Somebody telling you or you see Narry on something, I enjoy himself. You see Alicia Kim take a taxi from the airport to our house. And it's a problem. Oh, Narry gone. You all never see the two of them together. But it's now coming to be a problem to you guys again. So every turn this lady turn, you are picking something to pull her apart. Now today, which is the 19th of what we there? June, 19th of June. Today, the 19th of June is what you call it? It's called Juneteenth in the United States of America, where blacks have an holiday in America, yeah? And I tell you the truth, when I sit down sometimes and I look at how blacks, ladies, Jamaicans is trying to tear down each other. You know, it hurt my heart though. It really and truly hurt my heart. And I go say this, have me excuse to each and everyone who is watching this video. Have me excuse. Please do have me excuse. But I have to do this. I have to do this. You guys tearing down Alicia Kim just because Alicia Kim make a bad fuck. Me have to do it. Me have to be honest. One bad fuck. And you tear down this woman like that. You tear down this woman like that. One bad fuck. Because let me tell you something. Alicia Kim is not coming out and tell you what conspired. But them Them get me mad. I apologize. I am very sorry. I apologize because them get me really mad and upset. Them blue pill wasn't even working properly. And don't ask me how me know all these things, you know. Don't ask me how me know all these things. Alicia Kim really did love that man. It wasn't about money. It wasn't about sex. It's about love, vibes, and care. The persona that he put on, it catch her. No, him a take her money, and that's what caused all of this one bad fuck. My viewers and subscribers, I apologize. But I couldn't do any better. I hold it too long. And I just could not do any better. I know I have people out there who respect me. I have people out there who care about me. I have people out there who understand. But to be honest with you, I just couldn't hold it no more. I did have to express my angerality. Well, on, me soon put out my book with words tonight. Me go have a book with words tonight, you see? And the words that go in that book, you can't find it in no other dictionary. Me go name it Rodney's Dictionary. Guys, I feel bad. I really feel a way, you know, for really realize that this young lady life is just in a shamble because of the decision that she make. And I'm just being real and being honest. The decision that she make 2018, 2018, something like so, 2018, 2017, something about that. The decision that she made to talk to this man was a decision that she make, and that decision caused her to be going through every single thing that she's going through right now. Did she make a good decision? Yes, at the time it was a very good decision. Did she make a bad decision? Nobody know until all of this come out. Because it could have been one of the greatest decisions she have ever made in her life. To be honest, in the first place, it was a good, yes, it was a good decision she made. Not knowing is a hell of a thing. If me did know is a hell of a thing. She just did not know who she was getting in a relationship with. She just don't know who she was going in bed with. It's just like they have a saying if you say you're sleeping with the enemy. You imagine? Can you imagine sleeping in bed with a person who have a plan? Guys, let me say it. Hold on. You see you, Keish, all of you Junkertown people, every one of you were beat Alicia Kim. You see that same relationship you're in right now? You have no knowledge and understanding what that other person is saying in here. None of you have, and this is why I'm wondering why beating that young lady down like this. Because not one of you know what relationship you guys are in and how it's going to work out. But you get up beating Alicia Kim day in, day out. For what? Because all she did was make one bad fuck. My viewers and subscribers, you know what? I'm going to come off of that topic here because it hurt my heart very much, and I do not want to say things that I really don't want to say. So I'm going to leave this video and I'll make another video when I'm calm. Because to be honest with you, I have kids, and all of these people that you see doing Alicia Kim, they have kids. They have kids. Every single damn. See what I say? You know what? I will soon in our next video, yeah? I gone because I will talk things where me not really ready for talk yet. So guess what happened? Me gone here. Have a nice weekend. Happy Friday. Enjoy yourself. Pray for each other. Try to live loving. And if you don't have nothing good to say, shut your mouth. Hi, I'm out. Bye-bye. Jesus.